Miss Huddle, what's that?
Mrs. Sexton, these are two of my childhood favorites.
Well, I know that this one right here is Super Mario, but what's this?
What's that guy's name? The green dinosaur?
Yoshi, and he's a dinosaur.
I said dinosaur.
Yeah, I know, but my dad, he used to tease me all the time and tell me that Yoshi was a turtle, and I said, Dad, he is not. He's a dinosaur.
Doesn't he have a shell thing on his back?
He's a dinosaur. Anyway.
A turtle dino.
Yeah.
Well, this is also a dinosaur known as a dragon. This guy, you guys, is Spyro. Spyro. And my brother and I, we were collecting gems and these little eggs. And during the 1990s, Spyro made me smile so much. Awesome. So you're welcome, boys and girls, for introducing you to, something new and great.
Awesome. Well, what problem are you working on?
Well, I'm just a little frustrated, and I thought I'd draw pictures of Spyro. But then I said, I should use public and private virtue and do my homework. So it says Ethan could buy 8 video games for $64. Ethan has $88. How many video games can he buy?
There's a lot of numbers and words in there.
Yeah, and so I just got overwhelmed and drew pictures of Spyro.
Okay, well, you drew pictures of some video games. So there's a video game, and there's another video game. So we've got 2 video games, but it says that Ethan could buy 8 video games. So my video games aren't going to look as nice as yours, but
it's all right.
Here's 3 video games. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so he bought 8.
Well, he could buy 8.
He could, potentially.
So I see Ethan at the store, and he's looking at these video games, and he sees that he can get 8 video games for $64. But he has more than $64. Here we have Ethan over here. Hi, Ethan. And he's saying, I've got more than $64. This is $88.
Wow.
So I'm going to spend all that money on video games because my mom and dad said that I could.
Saving up.
Yeah. So first he has to figure out how much each video game costs. So we need to figure out how much each one of these video games costs if all 8 of them are $64.
Before we draw a bar model, what I was thinking is I could try to guess and check.
Okay.
Like I could say, well, maybe it'd be a good price, like a good bargain to get a $5 game. So 5.
So could
10,
they be 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That doesn't work.
So they're not that cheap.
No. But what you're doing, Miss Huddle, is you're thinking of what number times 8 is going to give me.
Ooh, I like
64. And so we just figured out that it wasn't.
It's not 5. It's not. It has to be higher than that. Because for 64.
Yeah. So it's not 5.
Let's fix that.
Yeah, not 5. But do you know? Think about your multiplication facts. Can you think of what times 8 is equal 64?
Well, what times 8? So 5 times 8 is too little. 6 times 8 is 48. Close the gate.
Okay.
7 times 8. 7, 14, 21, 28, 40, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. 56 is too little, so then I could do 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64.
Woo! You got it!
Wait, Mrs. Sexton, are you telling me that each video game costs $8?
I'm telling you that each video game costs $8.
So all I had to do was think what times 8 equals 64. Oh, I feel so much better.
Yep. Now, knowing that each video game costs $8, we're still not at our answer yet because my question doesn't ask how much each video game costs. My question asks, Ethan has $88. How many video games can he buy with his $88? So I'm splitting my $88 up into video games.
Wow.
And these video games cost $8 each. So how many video games can we get?
So how many 8s are within his budget?
So we could do this the same way we did our last problem by saying how many groups of 8 do we need to get 88? Ooh, and 88 is one of those cool double
with each numbers and the ones and the tens.
So that tells me right away that it's going to be 11 times 8 is 88. And so I now know that Ethan can buy 88 video games.
He can't.
No, not 88.
He can
sorry.
buy 11.
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I misspoke.
Hey, that's okay. I hope one of those games is Spyro.
Oh, I hope one of them is Super Mario.
Mr. T.
Ethan can buy 11 video games. How fun.
That was a great problem.
Yeah. Should we give them a similar
Teacher
problem?
high five. Give a teacher high five. I'm going to go find a cool picture to put on your video game, and it will be from the 90s.
Awesome.
Hey, Mrs. Sexton.
Hey.
You know what?
What?
Backstreet's back.
All right.
I hear that you're looking for some super cool new tunes.
Or some super cool old tunes.
Hey. Check these out, guys. That's the Backstreet Boys, and that's a soundtrack from the Rugrats motion picture. She's shopping for some cool tunes like this. She could buy 5 albums for $45. But Mrs. Sexton spent $72. How many super cool albums did she buy? Buy.
Solve this problem in order to get a
teacher high five. Give a teacher high five. We cannot wait to see what you come up with. Have a good night.
Bye, guys.
Bye.